Hi, it's me, Laurent. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is our new dedicated showroom at the Roscioli Yachting Center. I made a video of the first 65 Predator which arrived in the US. It was at the Palm Beach boat show, and you can find this video on the right corner of the screen. This one here is available. She arrived last week. I will do a brief walkthrough the 65 Predator. You can fit a Williams 345 and 2 Seabobs inside the garage. So one of the most popular configuration is the C-shape seating area, which as well has the upgraded fabrics. A beautiful teak table, which you can obviously open up as a dining table. I also lowered the galley window to cover the aft area, the lounging area. You have a awning in a black canvas. Here on the lower starboard side, you have your battery controls for your port, starboard engine and domestic. You have your controls for all your lights as well. You got your RGB lighting. We did a different configuration here. As you can see on my other video, you have a hatch which you open up here and it goes to a crew cabin. So no more hats, and by that you create space for an ice maker. So by eliminating the crew cabin, we created a large Lazarette, and we designed an entrance to the Lazarette right here. So I went downstairs and you have easy access to the generator. Down below is the Seekeeper 16. Let's go inside the Predator 65. On the port side you have the galley. Here you have the top cabinets in a matte nickel gray finish, absolutely stunning. And then your hob and your oven all in Miele. As well you have pop-up outlets here. All the wood is in eucalyptus, and a very nice combination of eucalyptus with stone. By the way, these are the fridges. Going more forward towards the navigation station, you have seating on both sides. As well you have a rise and fall TV. And just an absolutely beautiful combination of the gray with the oak floor and the eucalyptus. All the small details in stainless steel. The lighter gray leather. Just like the other 65, this also has the IPS 1350s, so expect top performance. She's a Class A vessel, specifically designed for the IPS engine, so better fuel range, better speed. The roof is a full carbon roof, and with the touch of a button you open it up. As I explained in the other video of the 65, it is a 3-stage room, but actually you have 4 heads. This is your dedicated day head. Here you have a lot of storage. On the other 65 you had a dedicated office desk. But if you go more in towards the master stateroom, you can see you have a nice desk here to do all your work. I'm going all the way forward to the VIP. All lovely detail. Again, protective here if you put your glass, and a charging station for your phone. And on starboard side you have the twin guest. I'm here on the bow, another great place to entertain family and friends. Again, upgraded fabrics, beautiful piping here in a different color. As well, you have 4 stations where you can put in 4 carbon fiber poles for a awning. So I just wanted to show you some of the changes which are the conversion of the crew cabin into a large lazarette. As well, the lobby of the master stateroom has more storage, and on your port side you have the desk with the 2 chairs. If you would like to have more information and see this boat in detail, have an exclusive showing, you can always reach me. We're based here in Fort Lauderdale in Florida.